A 62 kilogram person would weigh 101 newtons on the moon. What's the moon's G? Well, let's figure it out here. 62 kilograms, let's see, weight. So G is weight divided by mass. Weight over mass. So they weigh 101 newtons. Their mass is 62.0 kilograms. So 101 divided by 62 is 1.629 or 1.63 newtons per kilogram, right? Okay. Now, by the way, a 62 kilogram person on Earth, their weight is going to be mg. And the g on Earth is different, right? So the weight would be 62 times 9.81, or 9.8 we'll just use, right? So 62 times 9.8 is 607.6, right? So it's about, the moon's gravity is about 1/6 that of Earth, right? They weigh about 101, here they weigh, right? So on Earth they weigh 6 times as much. That'd be kind of fun. I'd like to go to the moon someday, you know? It's on my long list, I guess.